Chairman of Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore appeals people to grow coffee instead of poppy plantation at hilly regions. Communist Party of India Manipur State Council condemns 2020 to 21 union budget of NDA-led government in centre. Says the budget is against the poor. Japan Manipur Agri Meet 2020 with an aim to enhance agricultural production of the state with the help of satellite technology kicked off at Classic Grande. Leader of Aam Aadmi Party Arvind Kejriwal takes oath as Chief Minister of Delhi for a third term at the historic ground Ram Leela Maidan. And 13th Mega Marathon Manipur, organized by United People's Front, concludes successfully, attended by 1,720 runners. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Chairman of Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore has urged people to grow coffee instead of poppy plantation to avoid deforestation in the hilly areas. He was speaking at the one-day international level workshop on alternative plants for opium poppy at the Manipur University Court Hall today. Department of Forest and Environment Science, Manipur University, along with Southeast Asia Center for Agricultural Sciences and Humanities and Merging Industries Private Limited, Imphal, organized the workshop. Radhakishore said Manipur is suitable for coffee plantation. However, the state is not able to produce any. He asserted that small states like Mizoram and Nagaland are the leading producer of coffee in India. He maintained that although there is suitable land for vast coffee plantation in the state, it is carried out at around 15 hectares of land in various areas at present. He asserted that soil testing for coffee plantation in every district is successful. He urged the public to practice coffee plantation to boost the state's economy. MLA Surchandra, experts from Japan, and many eminent persons took part in the workshop.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯎꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯜꯇꯔꯅꯦꯇꯤቭ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯌꯝ ꯄꯣꯄꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯐꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯏꯁ ꯗ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯣꯐꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯎ ꯌꯥꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯕꯁꯤꯅ 50 years ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯕꯗ 1 yearꯗ 1 lakh above 1 lakh ꯁꯨꯡꯇꯥ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ every year 50 years ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯅꯛ ꯅꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯂꯥꯔꯖꯦꯁ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯐꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯐꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯤꯑꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯐꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯎꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯟꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯨꯗ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯩꯁꯨ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯅꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ.
Communist Party of India Manipur State Council has condemned the 2020 to 21 union budget of Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government in centre as the budget is against the poor. Taking part in a protest against the union budget at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal today, CPI National Executive Member Dr. M. Nara said, this year's union budget differ from previous year's budgets. He lamented that the budget does not include any provisions for the unemployed youths of the country, despite the government's proclamation to provide employment opportunities for them. He asserted that the budget is pro-corporate budget, favoring only wealthy persons. He urged the government to reform the current electoral system into a proportionate electoral system to abolish corruption from the state and ease the plight facing the poor.
It's a part of the nationwide campaign. We are campaigning against the anti-people, pro-corporate, anti-farmer. The budget itself, Maduki, Mayo Kaipena, campaign is LIC privatized public sector because of public sector 2018 nang America ki hogiba international economic crisis maduda laigiba port adudagi di ngasi laiba Modi led government asli budget se machine handle. The root causes of the corruption in the country is the electoral system itself. Sigi system si hongdoktana corruption mutar pesi oithoki corruption lehendaba sarkar am oini haiba chief minister do electoral system se sumthongnaba honagani haibum tang haidrigi de boi thajaba ngamoy.
Japan Manipur Agri-Mid 2020, which aimed to enhance agricultural production of the state with the help of satellite technology, kicked off at Classic Grande in Chingmeirong today. The event was a 6th edition of Imphal Campaign Talks, held as a part of community engagement program by Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation. Speaking at the event, Manitco and Manithron Chairman Dr. Radhesham Yumnam assured that Agri-Meat will provide benefits to farmers of the state. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation, Yumnam Rajeshwar said the meet aimed to introduce new agricultural initiatives in the state by holding interactions between Sagri, a Tokyo-based company, and non-banking financial institutes and food-producing companies of the state.
Sagri gi lakpiriba Mr. Satoshi Nagata si yam resourceful oiba mini moina akoigi satellite sizinare haraga agriculture si khumang chokot hale soil testing fertility check kase satellite ta uraga companies gi strong point ji akoigi satellite sizinaraga agriculture or farming assist over adune moigi Sagri gi company singsiga akoi Manipur gi lairiba organization singsiga khud samnare haraga akoi Manipur gi agriculture da kharado oisu contribution to bungamni scientific agriculture akoi gi high tech agriculture masida akoi khumang khara chakhope yani habasi akoi organization gi thajabni.
We have a Indian subsidiary company in Bengaluru, Karnataka since last September 2019. So our motivation to come here is mainly for microfinance based on space technology like a satellite imagery, and also we are using the soil sample testing and using the agriculture technology. We'd like to make a new credit scoring for farmers in India. Let's work together. Yeah, based on your requirement and the problems, we'd like to bring our best effort and the best solution to this market.
Chief Minister Nongthoma Miren inaugurated the staff quarter of Community Health Center at Lilong Haurebi Makhalaikai in Thoubal district today. The construction of the center, worth around 3.5 lakh rupees, was funded by Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram, that is PMJVK. Speaking at the event organized by District Administration Thoubal, N. Biren said, inner line permit might have never implemented in the state if BJP was a political party based on religion. He appealed to people not to believe the false allegation against BJP, which are circulated only to gain political mileage. Stating that various benefits are provided under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, he asserted that the BJP-led government chiefly focuses on welfare of the minorities. Speaking on the occasion held, Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar urged people to take care of Community Health Center as their own property and further sought possible help from the government from time to time. Lilong MLA Abdul Nazir, top officials of Health Department, Thoubal DC, State Minority Director, and many people attended the event.
Hospital pulingan pesale ng lusin. Lupan lak mga mga kaya Usman Bharati. Chief Minister di haksel di kaimbang lupan lak ani free na layan na ka. Yan hoki mo si government ni ko kem do ko. Habang may na sabi na hindi basan sa nung si. Labok ka nung dahil ko iwan ko. Si mai ay yan panjang de. Yung sa party kaya Usman hempet yo. Masih mana karuk lagi pada plate am mandang mai sino. Delhi lady, Lucknow, anywhere in any from the Japan, nothing in the language. Which would be started from London. Manipur and pick for agricultural land like them. I don't know any agricultural land can see and
MPP General Secretary Political Affairs T.H. Sarju Kumar has appealed to submit necessary documents to the observation committee formed by MPP Working Committee to resolve the prevailing party conflicts. He was speaking at the media interaction at Wahingbam Laikai today.
Financial
T.H.
crisis
Sarju
to the
Kumar alleged H. Geetajan of misappropriating funds and creating conflicts in the party, asserting that a 7-member committee, including H. Geetajan, L. Krishnadas, and M. Amutombi, were in charge of financial matters of the recent Lok Sabha election. He refuted the allegation charged by Geetajan's party against MPP President O. Jogendro of misappropriating funds in the election. He urged L. Krishnadas and Geetajan to submit necessary financial documents to the observation committee to resolve the conflicts at the earliest. MPP President in charge S. Brozen, General Secretary Organization H. Nirmala took part in the meet.
Tay lariba mokhoi manga sina paisa si purubusu moina purubani sizinabsu moina sizinabani election management ki damak organization ki damak ta cheliba organization tawriba khoi da paisa thadarakte aduga makhoina paisa jing du sizinaba loira kanda candidate ni haidana lepiba presidency da paisa du sizinabani haidana maran sibani aduna
Hujuk ada lariba kamu se forgery ngakani settle committee sama ga kutha lariba khoi bu sukan khangalam dana masak sukan khang daba settle committee ni haijaba angang khara phar laga tumbo hogat adringa da Manipur People's Party की complex चंगा मसा के security सिनरगा overflow तोरगा चंगा central committee फम में हारगा वापम दुना अचुंबो इतारगती Manipur People's Party की presidency था खुदिंग की सुलेरोय हनिंगा लेते
Mairapais of 8 different localities staged a public meet against drug abuse and addiction at Nongada Makhalaikai in Imphal East District today. Participants resolved to stand against drug abuse and trafficking during the meet. Apunba Committee Mairapaibi, a conglomerate of 8 localities, namely Nongada, Kamen, Pali, Napet, Nongren, Jana, Telo, and Chingnungkok organized a meet. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Nongada Makhalaikai Mairapaibi Lup S. Purnimashi expressed discontentment over the rapid increase in drug abuse in various areas of the 8 localities. She stressed the need to curb drug management in the state. Taking part in the meet, Lamlai Police Station OC W. Dev Kumar lauded the initiatives taken by Mairapaibis against drug abuse. Participants of the meet also carried out a rally from Nongada Thongkong till Napet Pali. Imphal West District Commando Team apprehended 2 suspected members of RPF PLA at wee hours today. The arrested persons are 50-year-old Chingangbam Gunachandra from Lamdeng Mayai Laikai, son of late Ibotombi, and 36-year-old Krishnam Somendro, son of K.H. Dharmo from Lukar Mayai Laikai. Impact News sources said Gunachandra and Somendro worked for one Naurem Nobin from Lukar Mayai Laikai, who works under RPF PLA SS Major Tangba. Their involvement in giving demand letters to Videocon House and Loyalam Microfinance under the command of Tangba has been confirmed. They were handed over to Lamphel Police Station for further investigation. Proscribed KYKL reportedly held the Foundation Day observance of its army wing Miyamgi Yawo Lanmi MYL today. The proscribed outfit in their press release informed that the Foundation Day was observed successfully at the General Headquarters, 1st, 2nd and 3rd Battalions, tactical and mobile units. Members of the outfit also paid 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the cadres who sacrificed their life in the freedom struggle. On the 6th day of Singso Mapithel Katamnao Long's 25th Silver Jubilee cum Sports Meet today, Executive Member of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Ngachomni Ramshang appealed to people to include culture items in various societal events. He further appealed students' organization to focus more on culture as culture identify people. Asserting that culture should be promoted through education, Ngachomni urged the need to preserve one's culture and custom. Highlighting that our vast natural resources and nature's beauty will attract tourists, he expressed the need to preserve our nature as well.
Lairiba student organization mayamna school chapigano lairi tambio haibasi nisi mayamna lautukjabani karigino haide school kaba chap school chapani haina be puraga chap adunadi nangi future oiroi lairik tambani haina lairik paraga lairik ta beva tawraga tamba sina future oigidobani akhoi gi lairiba tangkhul community especially south east lairiba mafithel student organization sigi manungda chaliba student mayam sina Lairiba government school oirambaya private school do oirambaya nangna afford to bangamba lairik tambanga miba school aduda tamo adubu tamriba poto lairik di chap mana tambani nangi nasana sagi losing da tamba haising matamba tamhauba khangauba sina kanagashi uijare nahaki uijage bani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on oath-taking ceremony of leader of Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, as Chief Minister of Delhi for a third term. We'll be back with details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Leader of Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, took oath as Chief Minister of Delhi for a third term at the historic ground Ram Leela Maidan today. He had earlier taken the oath of office in 2013 and 2015 at the same venue. Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal administered oath to Arvind Kejriwal and 6 other cabinet ministers at the oath-taking ceremony. The 6 ministers are Manish Sisodia, Saitendra Jain, Gopal Rai, Kailash Gehlot, Imran Hussain and Rajendra Paul Gautam. Speaking after the ceremony, Arvind Kejriwal said his success is the victory of Delhi Heights. He assured various developmental changes in the upcoming 5 years. Thousands of people attended the event. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Manipur held its 5th state conference at Nelit Complex in Akampat today. Meet and greet session of a newly selected members of the Parishad was also held on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Manipur State President of the Parishad, T.H. David, said AVVP are initiating various efforts to facilitate the students in national building. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Nelit Imphal, T.H. Prameshwar, lauded initiatives taken by AVBP for youths in character building and discipline building of the nation.
लाकदोरिबा सही एसी मतंगी सही एसी थौपगदब मयाम अखोगी आदगी हाना थौपरंब मयाम गा सिन्नबगी प्रोग्राम अखोगी मरोयबा थौदांग असि अखोगी नेशनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन अखोगी छात्र सिंगी थौदांग से अखोइना सोशल दा मोरल डेवलप तौबगी अखोगी नेशनल बिल्डिंग दा मतेंग ओइबदो अदुगी एक्टिविटी नि
अखोगी नारोन जे हगुल नारोन सिंगी पावर से यामना मथौ ताबनिना निलित की तरफ तगिसु नॉट ओनली टेक्निकल नतना अखोगी कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग अदगी डिसिप्लिन बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द खर पुरप यागदरा हाबिदुगी बांदमदा ओनोजबनि
लाकदोरिबा सही एसी मतंगी सही एसी थौपगदब मयाम अखोगी आदगी हाना थौपरंब मयाम गा सिन्नबगी प्रोग्राम अखोगी मरोयबा थौदा ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯗ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯋꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯤꯂꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯔꯞꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Cine Editors Guild held its 12th Foundation Day celebration today. The Guild also launched its official website called www.cineeditors.com on the occasion. Cine Editors Guild organized the event at Hayu Park in Phaying. Speaking at the event, Vice Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Birendra Salam, said video editors have significant roles in visual editing process in production of film or a documentary film. He stressed the need for the editors to be creative. He asserted that editors take tremendous role in enhancing the essence of a film story more than the director and the screenplay writer. He maintained that the film will be extraordinary and efficient only when the editors work earnestly and sincerely. President of Cine Editors Guild, R.K. Lalmani, and former chairman of Film Forum Manipur, L. Surjakanta Sharma, attended the event.
Hiram kudingda thobok kudingda participate tawbasi tawbiyu editing khangde direction khangde script writing khangde creative na hena dominant tawba hena creative sadonga ga chatpa poni lai pareng leng bani editing haibase samana ba adukula natraga kundo do leng bato adu natte lai sama lai sak lai su khena ba mayam do aina lengzal laga punging sumani ngai oiba phajaba lai pareng ma puthokpane adugi mati creative sang chumnagi ki da aigi kaman namaga tawbatu adu da makhut chat Singba adunate editor editing haibasidi aina hujik haijagribaduni mangonda depend of the director uram daba script writer na udaba moina phongdora iba namai iba short raw short mayam maduna ahingba lively oiba reality da yam naksanba potam tana honaba.
Chairman of Film Forum Manipur S. Mangol Jao has announced the nominees of the upcoming Manifar 2020 today. The event will be held at Kakching Dramatic Union Auditorium on March 22nd. Nominees of Best Manipuri Feature Film includes Pandam Amada, I Actor Nate, Inama, I Koisibu Kanano, Mamal Naidraba Thamoy. Nominees of Best Actor in Leading Role Female are Bala Tensubam, Hijam Bala and Biju Ningombam, while nominees of Best Actor in Leading Role Male are Irom Mangi, A. Gokul and N. Silhibag. And nominees for Best Directions are K.S.H. Gyanan, O. Gautam and Ajit Yumnam. Their words will be given for 26 various categories.
Award amada kanagumana individual award ama claim tobigi hairagadi best actor gi da moro supporting you boro tobigi hairagadi masage yaba cancel ama lawudabani producer na karigumba nominee sangaba singsina hairibe award ceremony numitta laktaba thobadi makhoigi mathakta aikoina akanbe action lawgani maramaduna award di khudimang nominee khudimang na loina matam sana lakpinaba aikoi film forum maikai digi appeal si tawjari masi karigumba lakpidaba singdugi matakta aikoina action lawrpa matamda warau bidanaba mangjona ne kun lawthoksari.
Lisana Foundation presented stationery items to the kids of children home in Yaibiril on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Sobam Lisana today. The foundation presented the items for the 5th time in honor of late Sobam Lisana for his tremendous contributions in bringing social equality. Leaders of the foundation and family members of Lisana presented the items to the children at the event. Members of the foundation assured that they will continue taking welfare activities for the underprivileged children in the future.
Mamangdadi akoina ahal sing maruina lekaiduda khoi lekaiduda aleba han sing phibam chadaba mi sing gumbada khona pesa hoina piba kopagi paring nai ba thabak ama akoi tawtuna lakoni handaki sina madu kitang hongdu oga akoina children home amada adu su yaibiren da akoina tawningba pamba adeida mayam si angang sing sida leiba sing si moi chaba takbodi yamne hena wale habadina te adu akoina kitang marang kaina akoi kendo chamin thaminna bagi numin ama kaktang akoina ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯇꯣꯗꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯀꯦꯖꯅꯦꯂꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟ ꯖꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ.
Pusam Javed and Yunus Ali Kulakpam will serve as President and Secretary General of All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, that is AMMSO, respectively. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Yunus Ali Kulakpam said AMMSO was on the verge of verification since June 2019. However, a resolution was taken to unite following a meeting with AMMSO members. He assured that the organization will initiate various welfare initiatives for students and appeal to people to extend their cooperation in their initiatives.
Constitution ge binding makada aduma akoi follow tawraga amso lakibani amasung amso ge constitution da yauriba aduma sana zakhigani aduga amso gi marakta matam khara yanadringai marakta kana gumba kari gumba area khara da tongan ba ming launaraga maduda yanaba amasung yanadaba leiramba punamaktu ngasi punsal lakpa tanja sida aikoi gi oiba amso gi maikai dagi thamjaning ba maru oiba wafam amana aikoi da FCB Founder Constituent Body haidana ama lai haibagi mingama sizinaramba si ngasigi amatang oina punsalakpa mikup sida Founder Constituent Body haibasi masu laitre aikoi gi oiba Constitution amso gi 1996 ta semakkiba adugum laba Constitution aduda akoi adumak makhata na thabuk thoram punnamak pangthok jagani haiba wafam asi thamjai.
All Manipur Students Union MSU in a press release notified that the union's Special Task Force team is initiating crucial efforts to achieve quality education in the state, and also informed that a Special Task Force has been set up to carry out inspections in the exam centers of the ongoing Class 10 and 12 examinations. Now the sports news. United People's Front, along with Athletic Association of Manipur, organized the 13th Mega Marathon Manipur today. The marathon kicked off from Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. Yash Commissioner Bobby Wycombe, IAS, and officials of UPF attended the event. Altogether, 1,720 participants, including 2 participants from Jharkhand and other northeast states, participated in the marathon. It may be mentioned that arrangements were all set to organize the marathon on November last year, but was postponed owing to the prevailing issues in the state. In the women's category, S. Premila from Yaripok, Sai RC's H. Bhumeshwari and T.H. Babina from Moirang bagged the first, second and third position respectively. While in men's category, 3rd Assam Regiment, Shillong's T.H. Roshan and Y. Inau clinched first and second position respectively, and K.H. Romajid bagged third position. First position holders of the 2 categories were awarded cash prize of 40,000 rupees and certificate each, while second position holders were awarded cash prize of 30,000 rupees with certificate each, and third position holders were awarded with cash prize of 20,000 rupees and certificate each at the event. 4th to 15th position holders were also felicitated with cash prize of 3,000 rupees and certificate each. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Social Welfare, N.G. Uttam, called upon everyone to unite and fight against drug management in our society. President of United People Front, W. Second, President of Athletic Association of Manipur, L. Ajit, and many eminent persons attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯤꯔꯒ ꯋꯥꯅꯣꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯐꯕ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯕꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯕꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯍꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯏꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ.
IPMSC Irom Pukrimapal has bagged the championship title of the first Haishnam Nilakamal Mobi Memorial under 40 kg A-side football tournament 2020 organized by Youth Integration Club YIC. In the final match played today, IPMSC Irom Pukrimapal beat All FC Sorbonne Thingel by 2-1. For the winners, Kennedy and Khel Chandran netted 1 goal each. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Nolan. IPMSC players Ngongo bagged player of the match, while UTLWO Uripok Taurangbam Laikai clinched best disciplined team, and All FC's player Rohan and YIC player Martin bagged highest goal scorer of the tournament title, scoring 29 goals each. YIC Longjam Laikai bagged the second runner title of the tournament. President of a Youth Integration Club, Maibam Mohindro, CAU former Dean Laishram Joy Kumar, former Deputy Director of Agriculture Department, Asem Ibotombi, Additional SP Traffic, Roni Mayingbam, Tournament Chairman, Haishnam Herojit, and people of the area attended the valedictory event. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, expressed apprehension that sports activities are only active during Yaoshing Festival at most of the local clubs. He was speaking at the valedictory event of grassroots football coaching for under 13 at Yumjau Lairenbi Lampak in Singjame Yumnam Laikai today. Indo-Burma Sports Association, IBSA, Yumnam Laikai organized the football coaching since January 19. Yumnam Khemchan felicitated trained 100 players and coached with certificates at the event.
Yaoshing Festival is activities of the policy, Manipur, Ayam, Channel, Ada Ipsara, again, now we are sing, say, Silly Hawaka, training to our sea, Masi. However, if I get this, Anjalaka, the Arab,
Junior cycling world #1, Laiktongjam Ronaldo flagged off the state's first ever 300-kilometer long distance endurance cycling brevet Randonniers Mondiox BRM Union Cyclists International UCI from Thangmaiban NCC Maze Gate at 1 p.m. today. 16 riders, including 2 women cyclists, are participating in the event. President of Manipur Adventure and Mountain Bikers Association and top officials attended the flag-off event. Cyclist team will ride for 20 hours, passing through Churachandpur, Kangchup, Senapati, Dolai Thabi, and will conclude at the initial point. First state-level late S. Tomba Memorial Day and Night 4-man A-side Open Super Soccer Tournament 2020 kicked off at KSYC ground today. Kamakhya Social Youth Club Yangthang Mamang Laikai organized the tournament, which will continue till February 29th. Speaking at the inaugural event, Nauria Pakhanglakpa MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra said the tournament aimed to nurture upcoming sports players. 32 teams from various districts are competing in the tournament. Sixth Kiamuddin Memorial Football Tournament 2020 kicked off at Kairao Makting Sabha Laikai Youth Club ground in Imphal East today. Imphal East SP Hobijam Jogesh Chandra launched the state-level tournament. Altogether, 20 teams are participating in the tournament. Today's opening match between Imphal East VDF FC and Hyangthang FC resulted into 2-2 draw. KFC will battle against ADIF FC, while Wadis FC will lock horns with YSC FC, Paubitek, in their respective matches of the tournament tomorrow at 2 p.m. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, appeals people to grow coffee instead of coffee plantation at hilly regions. Communist Party of India Manipur State Council condemns the 2020 to 21 union budget of NDA-led government in centre. Says the budget is against the poor. Japan Manipur Agri-Meet 2020 with an aim to enhance agricultural production of the state with the help of satellite technology kicked off at Classic one day. Leader of Aam Aadmi Party Arvind Kejriwal takes oath as Chief Minister of Delhi for a third term at the historic ground Ram Leela Maidan. And 13 Mega Marathon Manipur organized by United People's Front concludes successfully, attended by 1,720 runners.